Looking to keep your tailgate from doing this? I got a solution for you. I bought this soft open tailgate kit from Amazon, Win Unite, obviously made in China, but this thing comes with a gas assist shock. It comes with some brackets, comes with some tools. So this kit has everything that you need to make your tailgate open slowly. So let's get right into the installation. They give you most of the tools that you need, but if you buy a kit that doesn't come with the tools, this is a T50 torque. So what you need to do is you need to lift your tailgate to take some slack off of this cable here, lift this little spring clip up, and pull that off. Now the cable on the opposite side will hold this in place. So if you bought the same kit, it does come with a T50 wrench. And what we want to do is we want to loosen up this bolt here. You want to remove this all the way, and we need to install the bracket that came with the kit. All right, so that's what she looks like when you take her apart. Now in the kit, they have a bunch of different brackets depending on the model truck that you have, but we want to use this one right now. So we're going to reinsert that back through there. So I'm not a fan of red Loctite. They give us some red thread locker. I'm going to use blue because if we ever want to remove this, I don't want to have to use a torch to loosen this thing up. So put a little bit of blue Loctite on there. This bracket hangs down with this little ball end on the bottom. And we simply just thread this back in place. And we'll take that wrench, we'll tighten this up. And now we want to make sure that this bracket is straight up and down. We don't want it sitting out like this. We want it straight up and down like that. All right, for the time being, we're going to leave the cable off. Now we're going to need a 10mm socket to remove both of these bolts right here. Now there are some bolts on the backside that keep this attached to the tailgate, so you don't have to worry about the tailgate falling to the ground when you loosen these up. So there's 2 bolts here. We'll remove that second bolt. Now they give you 2 different plates here. Now depending on the year, one may fit, the other one may not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just hold this up and see how the holes line up. So this one doesn't seem to match up extremely well. Let's check this one. This one definitely has a little more leeway with this slotted hole. So you'll notice one of them has a slotted hole on the bottom, one doesn't. So we're gonna use this one. We're gonna use our blue Loctite once again. We'll start the bottom one. And we'll get the top one started. And then if you see the bracket that's under here, we wanna try to match the contour of this bracket to that one. So everything's nice and level here. And then we'll basically snug these up by hand. And then we'll get our 10mm ratchet and socket. Tighten that back up, just like that. Now, if you bought the same kit, it actually comes with a 10mm wrench to be able to loosen and tighten these back up. So if you want to use that, you can. If you have your own socket set, that's awesome too. Now, our very last step is the tailgate assist shock. So this is going to be installed with the body of the cylinder on the top side and then the shaft sticking out towards the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to clip this onto the bottom ball here. And that'll snap in place. So we're gonna pull on this a little bit to get a little bit of the rod coming out of the cylinder. And then we're simply going to lift this up like this. And as we lift the tailgate, we're gonna snap that other end of the cylinder onto that other bracket. Now at this point, we can take our cable, we'll lift the tailgate up once more, take our cable, hook that back on. So this has to be installed on the driver's side. You can't put it on the passenger side of the tailgate. But let's check this out and see how this reacts now. So we saw how that slammed before. Let's check it out now. How awesome is that? So I have 3 young kids. When they try to open the tailgate on here, they almost get smacked in the head. So this is a nice, cheap option to install on your truck to make it a little safer for the kids and to keep this thing from slamming. That's awesome. Slow open. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other F-150 content. I have a bunch of videos on my channel. See you in the next one.